A brutal confrontation in Indianapolis has left a 69-year-old truck driver with life-changing injuries and a swirl of controversy that has the sports world talking. According to his attorney, the man is grateful just to be alive and is now recovering at home alongside his wife. But here's where it gets controversial. The alleged aggressor is none other than former NFL quarterback and current Fox Sports commentator Mark Sanchez. Police say what began as a routine early morning job for Perry Tole at a hotel loading dock turned into a violent and unprovoked clash. Prosecutors first arrested Sanchez for several misdemeanors, but when authorities realized how severe Tole's injuries were, they escalated the case to include felony battery causing serious bodily harm. Court documents paint a grim picture. Tole's left cheek was slashed open so badly that the wound went completely through, damaging his jaw, mouth, and tongue. The injury has already affected his speech and left him in visible pain and swelling. His attorney says the emotional toll has been equally devastating. Tole is too shaken to speak publicly and will even miss his own son's wedding next week. Details from the incident are startling. According to police reports, Sanchez approached Tole, told him he could not park in a certain area, and allegedly climbed into his truck, preventing him from calling for help. When Tole tried to reach for his phone, he says Sanchez shoved him, leaving Tole feeling physically threatened. In an attempt to protect himself, he used pepper spray. But when Sanchez allegedly moved toward him again, Tole feared for his life, thinking, "This guy is trying to kill me," and pulled out a knife. He stabbed Sanchez multiple times, later claiming he barely knew what was happening as he was pushed into a dumpster and onto pallets, only catching glimpses of Sanchez's feet advancing toward him before striking again. Local news outlet WRTV obtained a hospital photo showing Tole's extensive facial damage, blurred for the public, but horrifying nonetheless. His lawyers, Erik May and Eddie Reichert, emphasize both physical and emotional injuries, calling the attack completely senseless. Tole has since filed a civil lawsuit against Sanchez and Fox Sports. Meanwhile, Sanchez's family issued a statement expressing gratitude for the support they've received and underscoring that Mark is still under intensive medical care for his own stab wounds. They stress his focus is on recovery while the legal battle unfolds. Legally, the stakes are high. Marion County Prosecutor Ryan Mears says felony battery involving serious bodily injury carries a possible sentence of 1 to 6 years, and warns that charges could be upgraded further as investigators reconstruct the sequence of events. Sanchez, who was famously drafted in the first round by the New York Jets in 2009, is scheduled to appear in court on November 4th. Until then, unanswered questions linger. Was this truly an unprovoked attack? Or does the situation have layers that haven't yet come to light? And most importantly, do you believe self-defense played a role here? Or was this a tragic case of escalation gone wrong? What do you think? Should public opinion lean toward the victim's account? Or is there still room to hear Sanchez's side before judgment is passed?